Good morning, students. Welcome back to our EVS class. This is the third part of the third chapter, The World of Animals. In our previous session, we have been discussing about shelters built by animals, animal shelters built by human beings, kindness towards animals. Children, do you know? Animals also have sense organs like us. In this session, let us continue our discussion on how do animals see, how do animals hear, how do animals communicate, and how do animals smell. First, let us look into how do animals see. Most animals and birds have powerful eyes. Eagle can see a rabbit moving from 5 kilometers away. Owls have huge eyes located in front of their heads to see even in the dark. Cats also can see very well in the dark. Animals like monkeys, fish, insects, and birds can see a fairly good range of colors. Next, let us study about how do animals hear. Ears are the organs of hearing in animals. The primary function of ears in animals is to detect sound. Animals like elephants and dogs have long and prominent ears to help them catch a lot of sound. Rats and polar bear have very small outer ears, but they can still hear sounds 10 times softer than any human being. Now let us study about how do animals communicate. Animals usually communicate using sounds. Dogs can bark, whine and growl. Children, do you know the meaning of whine? Whine means a crying sound of dog. Then what is growl? A kind of sound made by some animals. Langurs communicate with each other using a number of calls that mean different things. Now let's study about how do animals smell. Both land and water animals have a strong sense of smell. Dogs, rats and bears have the most keen sense of smell. Dogs are used by the police for tracing criminals. Children, why are dogs used for tracing criminals? Because dogs have the most keen sense of smell. Shark and ants can smell food from a very long distance. Students, now let's watch this video to know more about animal senses.
Like humans, animals also have developed senses. Being able to sense helps animals to locate food, move around and stay safe. Some animals have some senses more developed than the other animals. Let us learn about the sense organs of animals. Sense of smell. Dogs sniff around looking for food or finding their way. Due to their powerful sense of smell, few breeds of dogs are trained by the police to catch thieves. Ants use their long, thin antennae to find directions. Mosquitoes move towards humans because humans have a specific body odor which the mosquitoes can smell. Sharks move towards their prey in water by using their sharp sense of smell. Snakes smell by flicking their forked tongue out to collect scent particles from the air. The scent particles are carried to a special organ on the roof of their mouth, which identifies the object. Sense of vision. Birds of prey like eagles, hawks, and vultures have a very sharp vision. Their vision is 4 times better than ours. Ants and flies have compound eyes made up of many lenses. They can react to motion much faster than humans. Owls have very large eyes with huge pupils, enabling them to capture plenty of light. This enables them to catch their prey at night easily. Color vision. Different animals have different color visions. Insects like bees and butterflies can see colors that even humans cannot see. Dogs, cats, mice and rabbits can see only the shades of grey, blue and yellow. Nocturnal animals can see things only in black and white. Sense of taste. Dolphins can taste their food even though they cannot smell. Butterflies and bees have taste receptors on their feet. The entire body of an earthworm is covered with taste receptors. Sense of hearing. Snakes do not have external ears. They locate their prey by feeling the vibrations on the ground. Bats use echolocation to locate their prey. They make sounds that strike the object and come back. This enables them to locate the direction and distance of the food. Spiders, grasshoppers and cockroaches hear sounds with the help of the hair present on their body. A crocodile has a sharp sense of hearing. It can hear the young ones inside the eggshells. Sense of touch. Nocturnal animals like cats and tigers use their whiskers to navigate in the dark and to detect danger. Insects have fine lines on their wings to feel the surroundings. Fish have sensory organs along a line through the head and both sides of the body, which can feel changes in the water pressure, thus locating their prey. The feathers and the tongue of birds have touch receptors.
Students, let's have a quick recap of what we have learned today. Today we have learned about how do animals see, how do animals hear, how do animals communicate, and how do animals smell. Children, solved exercise of these topics are given in PDF. Kindly note down them in your EVS notebook and learn them. Thank you. Have a nice day.